Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Tinder. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by going to your web browser and type in tinder.com. From the official website of Tinder, to log in, click on the login button at the upper right. And you can log into Tinder using your Google account, your Facebook account, or with your phone number. Click on any one options you like. Since I'm logging in using my phone number, let me click on login with phone number and enter my phone number. Click on the continue button after you are done. Wait for a code to arrive and type it in. In case you didn't get the code, click on resend and Tinder will again send you another code to your mobile number. Click on continue after the code has been typed in. Now you'll need to enter your email code as well, which has been sent to you. Go to your email and enter the code that has been sent to you again. After you're done, click on confirm email and you will be logged into Tinder. That is how you can easily log into Tinder. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.